Welcome! This is Eldorado Climbing's step-by-step guide to installing our rec panels. Handcrafted in Colorado, these panels are designed for easy setup and endless climbing fun. Each rec panel kit includes screws for attaching the frame to wooden studs, screws to secure the panel to the frame, a detailed user guide with full instructions, and of course, the rec panel and its frame. Before you begin, gather your tools. They're listed in the user manual too. Having everything ready will make your install quick and smooth. Start by picking a sturdy, open wall, clear of switches or obstructions. Suitable wall types include wooden or metal studs, concrete, or CMU. Clear the space around the wall. Give your climbing wall the space it deserves. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud. Mark them clearly. This part is key to a strong, safe install. It's best to start your layout from the bottom and work your way up. Measure from the floor to where the bottom of your first panel should sit, then mark that spot. Panels can go vertical or horizontal, but must span at least 2 studs. With a friend helping, position the frame at your mark. Use a level to make sure it's straight. Now, using the provided wood screws, begin securing the frame into the center of each stud. Once the first screw is in, double-check your level. Make sure nothing shifted. Then secure both the top and bottom of the frame. If your wall isn't wood studs, check the fastener schedule in the manual for the right hardware. Next, lift the panel and align it with the frame. Make sure it's flush and properly seated. Using the connector screws, fasten the panel to the frame, nice and snug. Time to add your holds. Each panel has pre-installed T-nuts that fit standard 3/8-inch bolts. Position your hold, line up the bolt hole with a T-nut, and use a hex wrench to tighten the bolt. Be firm, but don't over-tighten. Give each hold a quick test to make sure it's solid. Holds can loosen with use, so check and retighten them now and then. And that's it. You're ready to climb. Questions about panels, installs, or your climbing project? Don't hesitate to reach out at eldowalls.com.